Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we discuss interesting topics related to physics. Today we have a question from one of our viewer who has asked about the collision of two balls of different mass. This is Akshay Gole and today we are going to deal with numericals on inelastic collision. So the question is, a ball of mass 30 kg traveling with a velocity of 120 meter per second collides with another ball of mass 140 kg moving at 80 meter per second in the same direction. If they stick together, what will be their common velocity? Consider a ball of mass 30 kg is moving with a velocity of 120 meter per second and another ball of mass 140 kg moving at a velocity of 80 meter per second in the same direction. The viewer asks a question: if they stick together, what will be their common velocity? So after collision, what will happen? These two balls are stick together and both of them are started moving along a direction with the same velocity. This is a classic example of inelastic collision. So the law of conservation of linear momentum states that the total momentum of a system remains constant if no external force act on it. That is, we can say that the total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. So momentum before collision can be given as mass of first object into velocity of first object before collision plus mass of second object into velocity of second object before collision is equal to mass of first object into velocity of first object plus after collision plus mass of second object into velocity of second object after collision. But this is example of inelastic collision. So velocity of two objects after collision is same, so that we can say that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. So this v is nothing but their final velocity. So therefore the final velocity can be calculated by using this formula: v is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now put the values in it and find out the answer, and the final velocity of an object is 87.05 meter per second, which is approximately equal to 90 meter per second. I hope this answers your question and you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or topic you would like us to cover, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. See you in next video. Thank you very much.